Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Balinese shredded chicken with chili sambal. We call it Ayam Pelalah or Siap Mesitsit. My father usually make this from the leftover grilled chicken. We sometimes add grilled chicken to our offering, and the next day my father will make Ayam Pelalah from the leftover. For this recipe, I'm going to use chicken breast. If you would like to use chicken thigh, it's absolutely fine. And here I have 250 grams of chicken breast. And for the chili sambal later, I'm using 4 big red chili, 5 Bali hot pepper, 1 lemongrass, 2 kaffir lime leaf, 1 kaffir lime fruit, 5 garlics, salt, palm sugar, coconut oil, vegetable oil. So let's start. First, I'm going to cut the chili and garlics. Let's put it aside. And now let's prepare the chicken. First, I'm going to turn on the cooker medium. I cut it like this, so it's quite thin. Add a pinch of salt and splash of vegetable oil. Give a little massage. The pan is hot enough. Let's add the chicken. Cook the chicken until slightly golden brown. Let's turn it over. Now the chicken is cooked. Let's turn off the cooker. Put it aside. And now let's prepare the chili sambal. I'm going to add these chilies and garlics. Sprinkle tiny pinch of salt. I'm using mortar and pestle, but if you would like to use blender, it's absolutely fine. So this is the consistency we want. Let's put it in the bowl. So now let's shred the chicken. I shredded all the chickens, so let's put it aside. Let's turn on the cooker and prepare the chili sambal. Medium heat. I'm using the same pan and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Don't wait until the oil gets very hot, so just warm and add the sambal. Add the lemongrass. Brush it first. Add half tablespoon of palm sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Cook it around 1 to 2 minutes. Add 2 kaffir lime leaf and the chicken. Take the stone off for the kaffir lime fruit and just a tiny squeeze of kaffir lime fruit juice. Mix well. Cook it for another 1 minute. So it's done. Turn off the heat. Let's plate it. Slice of kaffir lime fruit for garnish. Here we are, Ayam Pelalah. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and I will see you in my next video. Matur suksma, bye bye.